Formula-wise, I would describe this as a matte lipstick. Super great description, Leslie. Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got a new at the drugstore video for y'all today on some new goodies from Milani. I was on their website the other day just kind of digging around, and I found quite a few things that were labeled as new. So I ordered them and I put a bunch of them on my face today. So I'm gonna run through the different goodies, show you some swatches of them, kind of give you some initial thoughts on them, and just do a fun new at the drugstore video. So yeah, if you're new here to my channel, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do new at the drugstore videos, get ready with me's, favorites, empties, some fashion content. So just lots of fun things here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are chatting about Milani goodies, so let's get to it. Okay, so first off, there is the Cheek Kiss Blush Palette. On the Milani website, this retails for $13.99, and it looks like there is a cream blush palette and then also the powder blush palette. So I got the powder blush palette, and this says Golden Hour Glow. So I do have a little bit of these two on my cheeks, but honestly, I've got a bunch of stuff on my cheeks because, I mean, I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things on my cheeks right now, just because I was trying to play with all the things. So yeah, these are pigmented. I would describe them as a silky formula. They're definitely a silkier formula blush, but I didn't find it difficult to blend. Ooh, that color is beautiful. Wow, I love that one. I haven't used that one yet. That'd be really pretty on the eyes too. Kind of like a blush bronzer in one, and then sweep a little bit of that in the crease of your eye and you're out the door. Ooh, that's really pretty. All of them have a little bit of a satiny sheen to them. Nothing like super overwhelming, but a little bit of a sheen to them. Yeah, I'm just sitting here examining. I would describe it as satin. It's not super glowy, but it's not matte either. So yeah, good little blush palette. I thought about getting the cream one, but I don't wear cream blushes quite as much. They also had some new potted cream blushes. I didn't order any of those either. I just don't tend to grab for those as much, but they did look pretty. And this is the all-inclusive eye, cheek, and face palette. This retails for $14.99, and there is a light to medium option and a medium to deep option. I got the light to medium option. I'm almost positive. Where does it say? I'm almost positive because it looks lighter than the other one. Oh, right on the end there. Light to medium, yes, is the one that I got. So I do have this on my eyes today. I have these 3 colors, and then I actually used a blush on my eyes just a little bit. I'll show you that one in a second. I do have this bronzer on. I have a little bit of this blush, just barely tapped on my cheeks. I have a little bit of this on kind of the lower part of my cheekbone, and then I have this on the highest point of my cheekbone. So like I said, I was trying to put all the things on my face, so I kind of had just a little idea of what it was like. Overall, this seems nice. I especially like the cheek products, so I would say those are my favorite thing. I mean, look how pigmented that is. The cheek products, I would describe them as silky and blendable. Let's see. Bronzer is a very warm toned bronzer. Yeah, it's got a lot of warmth to it. The shadows are good. I do kind of wish the bottom shade were a little bit deeper just to be able to get kind of a little bit more dimension to the eye look. So that's something I would change about this palette. It's not a super deep color. I mean, it's got some depth to it, but maybe just a little bit more, I think, would have kind of created a little bit more variety in the eye look. But the metallic shades, like this highlighter and that middle eyeshadow shade, whoa, like super metallic-y. Okay, getting all of these swatched for you. So there they are, pigmented. Nice and pigmented, blendable. I would just describe the mattes, both the eyeshadow and the cheek products, as more of that silky sort of a formula. So just kind of, I don't know that you would have to build them up a little bit, but I kind of like to stamp on a product like that and then sort of buff. I find that I get kind of the best application that way, but I like the color story of this. That one in the middle there is amazing. I have that on my lids. Whoa, that is so pigmented and beautiful. So overall, I like this little palette. I'm not like jumping up and down like it's the most amazing palette I've ever used, but I like it. I like the color story. I like that it's kind of all in one. That's fun. So this would be perfect for travel, for throwing in a bag. So I like that about it. Who loves the Milani blushes? I love them. They are so good, and they have some new shades. These are both super pigmented. So I have to be really light-handed with them. I used both of them today, but I had to use so little, especially this one. I mean, I used hardly any, but I wanted to get to try it, and it's beautiful. I just had to be really light-handed with it for me. So this one right here is 210 Peach of Me. Peach of Me. These are so pretty. I mean, even in the pan, they're gorgeous. I hate to even swatch them because they're just so pretty. Now this one, I'll have to look at the other one. This one definitely has glitter in it, or a little like, I mean, I don't even know if I would call it shimmer. It's really, it's not like chunky glitter, but there is definitely shimmer glitter in this, for sure. I really did not notice that on my cheeks, but now I guess if I really look, I can kind of see it, but I can definitely see it on my finger, and I can definitely see it in the swatch. But look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. So pigmented. I mean, a little bit goes a long way with this. So these are that baked sort of a formula. If you've used baked blushes or eyeshadows before, you know what kind of a texture they have. They're a little bit more of a gritty sort of a texture. Not in a bad way, but it's just different than a typical powder product. So I kind of buff them on, and you know, if it's a lighter color for me, I kind of build it up. But for this one, I mean, I had to barely boop and just boop on my cheeks and then blend it in. But so pretty, so pigmented. I think this will be really beautiful on everybody. Yeah, it's like a bright orange peach shade. I mean, it's a intense peach with that shimmer, just so you know. And then this one is 110 Cherry on top. So cute. And I really like the way they did the packaging on these, that the outside is a different color. So that makes it like quick and easy to grab and know what you're grabbing. And I don't know, it just looks very drugstore makeup. And I love that about it. I love when the packaging matches the product inside. Look how pretty this is. This reminds me of a MAC blush. Well, right there it did, but here swatch, it doesn't look quite as much like the one I was thinking of. Oh, it had cocoa in the name. This is more of a burgundy wine than that one. Now this one is more of a sheen. I'm looking. Is there, I'm like, where can I swatch to see? I think there's some micro shimmer in this one too, but it's not as easy to see as it is in the peach one. Wow, look how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness. Medium to deep skin tones. Oh, this is gonna be beautiful. So pretty on you. I did put a little bit of this on my eyes in the outer corner and kind of brought it over into my crease a little bit to kind of deepen up my eye look. So I use this as a shadow, and it did work that way, but I love this color. It's like a raspberry burgundy wine shade. Oh, it's beautiful. I love this. This is so good. And I forgot to tell you price point on the blushes. So the baked blushes are $9.99 on Milani's website. So then there are also some new lipsticks. These are the Color Fetish Nude lipsticks. There are 6 different shades. They are supposed to be a matte lipstick that is ultra creamy, pigment rich, in a range of nudes designed to complement every skin tone. Soft velvet matte finish, high comfort lipstick, blah, 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 blah. Smooth and soft with moisturizing hyaluronic acid. So I got 3 different shades. I'm wearing one of them right now. I am wearing, what is this one? 420 Teas, and it is a very kind of taupey sort of a nude. Love, love, love the packaging on these. These are beautiful. I mean, they look high-end. Did I tell you the price point on these? They are $8.99 on Milani's website. I love the shape of the packaging. I love that the color of the lipstick matches the outside packaging. That's amazing. That just makes it so easy to grab your lipstick. And it's pretty. It just adds color and beauty to your vanity or wherever you have these sitting. Formula-wise, I would describe this as a matte lipstick. Super great description, Leslie. And it just feels like a good matte lipstick. It's not overly creamy, but it's not dry either. I mean, it just really kind of sets down and ends up being this really low maintenance matte lipstick. So I would say if you are used to matte lipsticks, you like matte lipsticks, you will like these. Does it have a scent? Yes. Kind of vanilla, sort of a scent. Yep, so nice scent to it. Love the packaging, really like the formula. So yeah, here is 420 Teas. So that's the first shade that I got. I'm gonna jump over to this product really quickly because I'm gonna go ahead and layer it on top of what I'm wearing so you can see this. So this is the Keep It Full Max Lip Plumper, and this is $9.99 on Milani's website. It says an ultra plumping gloss with high impact color and serious shine, which helps visibly plump lips. It's got a natural plumping peptide, mango seed oil for deep hydration, hyaluronic filling spheres for moisture retention, and chili pepper resin for a next level tingling sensation. Uh-oh. So here is the packaging. So let's see how this is. It smells good. Kind of smells like fruity and sweet. Has some tackiness to it, kind of a thicker sort of a formula, and I'm feeling the tingle. Come on. Wow, this color is really pretty. That's a really beautiful kind of, I would describe it as kind of like a mauve-y, rosy nude. Oh, look how thick it's looking on my lips. You can see it kind of sticking together, so I put too much on. So I would say don't apply it as thick as I did. So what did it say is the plumping agent? Chili pepper resin. Yes, so I just breathed in, and I think I got choked on a little bit of the chili pepper resin because it made me cough. But I can definitely feel the tingle, but it's not over the top, crazy intense, but I can definitely feel it. I mean, it's a tingle, more tingle than a cooling sensation. I can feel the plumping. So let's sit for just a little bit. So I do feel like it's plumping my lips a little bit. Usually with these kind of plumping glosses, I don't usually notice anything super intense, but I do feel like I can feel the tingle. I do feel like my lips are looking a little bit plumper than normal, but the glossiness definitely makes your lips look more full. So if you like a tingle plumping gloss, I think this is nice. I mean, it feels nice on the lips. It really kind of reminds me of their other lip glosses that I love so much, but then now just with the plumping, or like the next level plumping sort of agent in it. So yeah, I think this is gonna be, if you like this kind of product, I think you will like it. Ooh, I love this color. Next color of these lipsticks that I got, this is 430 Secret, and I would describe this as kind of a pinky nude. Wow, I love this color. Oh my goodness. This is really close to my natural lip color, so this would probably be my personal go-to nude. Look how beautiful. Ooh, really pigmented. These are not patchy. They really apply nicely and don't drag on the lips. Really a good lipstick. So there is that one, and comparing it next to 420 Teas. Look how pretty this color is. Oh my goodness. Now on me, this one is more intense. I was thinking fall time with this one. This is more of a, kind of a, it's got a wine sort of a property to it, a richness. This one is 440 Passion. 440 Passion. Wow. I love this formula. I love that color. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous. So I would say the packaging looks a little bit darker than the actual lipstick inside, but not by much. Wow. I'm a huge fan of these. Okay guys, so those are all the new Milani goodies that I have to share with you today. So hope that you really enjoyed this video. Please hit a thumbs up if you did. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these new products. What do you think about them? I would love to hear your thoughts on them. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.